Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, it's nice to see you. We make videos and we upload them of all of our adventures with our family. And today I just woke up and looked outside, thought, you know what? It's probably time that I cut down that tree that fell the other day. So let's make some breakfast and get straight to it. So this tree fell back in March and I have been procrastinating on chopping it up. It could have been to do with the hot days making it hard to get out and do any physical activity. It could have been to do with the busy life schedule or just sheer laziness. Either way, even if I don't finish today, it will be a great start and a good amount of firewood for the winter months. If you've made it this far, go give the video a like and maybe subscribe to help us out. So it's day 2 and I thought I'd start a fire with that timber that I just cut down. Best way to start a fire after the rain, because it's been raining, it's pretty wet. Go for a wander through the bushy area, and the best thing is to take timber off of branches that are dead because they're dry. They haven't touched the ground. Probably best as well if you're not stealing wood from national parks. I can just take it from my backyard. Luxury of owning a couple of acres. Oh, a green one. Oops, a daisy. So once I've got all of my kindling and everything ready, I will come and steal some of this grass. Usually the stuff directly off the top is the driest. Then I get my lighter. this point, I start stacking some of my big timber. Probably time for a new fire pit. Wink wink, Shona. Sometime in during all of this, we got an invite to Rick's garage with friends for a beer and a bite to eat. And we could never turn down a good feed.